Hey everybody, I hope you're having a good night on tonight. God is there blessing, God is there moving, and we're surely going to another dimension in our lives. Listen, on tonight, I'm working on a series called Behind the Sound. We're going to be dealing with the mind, the message, and the mask. Stay tuned. There's a lot of great nuggets I want to share with you behind the mask, which is rediscovering who you are, the message to let you know who we are as Levites, the mind to restore the trust of who we are. Stay tuned.